So easy purchase order creation in SAP Fiori. Public need to familiarize or to formalize a service or material requirement with a supplier. SAP Fiori makes creating purchase order straightforward and efficient. Here's a quick overview for those new to the process. So access to the app Manage Purchase Order. Start by logging into your SAP Fiori Launchpad and opening the Manage Purchase Order app. This is your central hub for all things PO related. Initiate creation. Click on the Create button to start a new purchase order. Step 3. Enter basic data. You will need to input essential either information as supplier, who are you buying from, currency, what is the agreed upon currency, purchasing group and organization, your internal buying team details, and company code, the legal entity making the purchase. So, purchase order type, a supplier, I will choose a French supplier for my purchasing organization, country France, website looking for is I found KPC with a key. For example, this one. I click on enter. I choose my purchasing group, enter. The company code, enter. And the currency, enter. So, specify item, services, or material. This is where you detail what you are ordering. SAP Theory allow you various scenarios. Services without material number. Describe the service in a short text and specify detail like the material group, plant, quantity, net price, and performance period. So I just have to click on Create. For a services material, for example, material group, choose the plant, okay, the quantity, 1 pieces, the amount, okay, short text, demo, I go to the detail, so services without material number. Services in a short text and specify the type, material group, plant, quantity, net price, and also account assignment. So account assignment category, for example, the cost center. I put the cost center, then I enter the GL account, 6 like this. A show filter per company code is good. Looking for the GL account number starting by 6 and with the term per. Okay, traveled, purchase. Okay, this one and the cost center. That's okay. Dummy, it's good. I click on enter. Okay, green, blue, blue. Just because. Okay, can I deviate made? I can change the date for the next week, or for example for. Okay. I click on apply. I define item detail. So for each item, you will likely need to specify, for example, account assignment category, where will the cost be allocated, example, the cost center. Received an invoice verification settings. For that, I go back in the detail, I show you. For that, account assignment, delivery address, process control, good. Receipt-based invoice verification, yes. Tax code, for example, if I go to the detail to imagine that I can define the tax code, okay, I can put it directly in the purchase order. Schedule lines, account assignment category. So check for completeness before finalizing. Use the match function to ensure all necessary information is filled and there are no errors. That is focus on only on the error message. So everything sounds be good. That's for example that one case. Services, material with limit. But for the moment, services without material. So number 7, order save. Once you are satisfied, click order to create your purchase order. Order. The system will generate a purchase order number with your reference. SAP Theory intuitive interface guides you through these steps, making the process of creating purchase order more user-friendly than ever before. So the purchase number has been created for 500000195. Sorry. So it's my purchase order. I can click summarize. It's a intelligence jewel, and I've got a summarize on my purchase order. Okay, with all the detail. So approval detail. Okay, I've got a first level, but if I want withdraw from approval, for example, I'm able to make update. So for example, I would like, I click on the edit. For example, I want to change purchasing group and I click on order. Okay. Okay, my purchase order in the state to approval. That is concluded this video.